Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to invite friends in UFC 6. If you want to play UFC 6 with your friends, the process is actually really simple now. From the main menu, move over to the online section. Once you are there, you will see different options like quick fight, ranked, online career, and the one you need, invite a friend. Compared to a lot of games, this one makes it much easier to find because all you have to do is open invite a friend. After that, you will be able to set up the match. You can choose the fight settings, adjust the options you want, and decide things like whether created fighters are allowed or not. When everything looks good, select create game. From there, you'll get the option to invite friends directly into your lobby. If your friend is playing through crossplay, make sure you have added them through EA Connects first, so you'll need their EA username to find and invite them. Once you send the invite, your friend just needs to accept it. After they join, you'll move into the fight setup screen, choose your fighters, and then you are ready to start playing. And that's all there is to it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.